Hi, I'm Mark from Voyage, and in this video I will show you how I made these metallic paints by using transparent polish and powder pigments. So stay messy with me and welcome. For this one I'm using yellow paint instead of transparent polish just because I wanted it to make it a little more yellowy instead of just golden. And then I mix in the golden powder, and this is 14 karat gold. It's not actually gold. That's what the pigment is called. And as soon as you mix it, 1 teaspoon is more than enough to color a whole cup or maybe 2 cups of your paint. I'm only using about 5 to 10 milliliters. And by using a syringe, I put it into a 5 or 6 milliliter lip gloss tube. To make my metallic green, I just add some more powder. This time it is blue pearl. Because I'm using so much pigment, this one is going to be very thick. But that's great for making those 3D textures. This is the way to go. Thick paint. And since I made 4 of these, I should put them into action. So let's try them all, mix them together, and see what happens. If you ever try to make these, then please let me know how they came out, because this is just wonderful and it's so much fun to use. And I'm using them for my next paintings, so I'll be posting them soon. Until the next video, stay messy.